The boys back in action, baby. Feel like I just hit the lotto. 777s on the deck, all around. Casino's kicking me out. I've won too much. The house can't win. Logan wins. Logan always wins. The luckiest man in the world. The waterfall junkie. The wicked waterfall wizard. That's who I am. The wicked waterfall wizard. Going a little kooky. Going a little bit out of the membrane. Back in the business, bitch. Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me, man. Don't fuck with me, man. Nah, I'm just funny. I'm a real one. I'm the luckiest one in the world. The luckiest real one there is. If there was a luckier real one than me, that wouldn't be. 777, baby. 777. This is your spiritual sign to get off your ass. Yeah, big baller moves. Waterfalls all day long. Just jump in. Don't think, jump in. When life gives you a pond, what do? You jump in. Don't let them tell you what you can't do. Never, ever, 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 ever. Looking over here like the camera's that way. I'm like, huh? Nah, dude, the camera's right there. What up, y'all? What's going on? Are you winning? You better be winning. Because if you're not winning, then you're not playing. That's my motto. I'm sticking to it. You know what else I'm sticking to? This sick ass dude. I'm sexier than a motherfucker. Looking fine as fuck. I got my summer tan going. I'm about to fuck your bitch. No lie, she already called me today. I had to send her the voicemail. Tell her to dial 777. Cha-ching! I am on one, bro. I am on one. Definitely on Planet Logan right now. Welcome to Planet Logan, where everything goes and everything goes. Well, that was my message, my waterfall haiku. I hope I've inspired you. And I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful night doing whatever it is that you do. And get out there and do something crazy, baby. Go to a fucking waterfall, jump in the water, go to the river, hang in the fucking woods, do whatever you gotta do. Clear your head out, clear all that bullshit out. Stop dumping your shit onto other people. Just fucking take it out on yourself and get through it and move through it, because you can. Alright, that's all I gotta say. I love you. I love you. I love you. I'm talking to myself. I love you, Logan. I love Logan.com. You know the jig. I don't have that domain yet, but bet your ass I'ma get it. Damn, I'm hot. All right, later.